on our test ASMR. Alright, sorry on our test. Gotta go, mate. Alright, so let's go over the trade recap, or not recap, but yeah, my phone died and I couldn't wake up early because my phone died. And my alarm did not go off because my phone died, but yeah, anyways, trade recap. So, what were good trades today? So obviously we're very bullish. Even though we just swept this high right here. Still very bullish. Bullish until proven bearish. This is a very strong draw right here, so I probably would have been expecting that to be hit. Let's see, man. Let's see. So 9:30. We have equal lows right here. Create equal lows. Boom. Hold on 1 minute. So market opens. That's when we create the equal lows. I mean, since we're very bullish, even though we created those lows, even though we created those lows, this would have been a pretty good long right here. Could have targeted these highs right here. That would have definitely been a profit trade. It wouldn't have been in the right direction at the time, but it wouldn't have been a bad trade at all. I feel like I probably would have taken this, but at the same time, I don't know, because we created these lows right here. I don't know. This is not a bad trade though, at all. And we had momentum above. Yeah, this is a really good trade. Not that good of risk to reward, but you know. Or take profit would probably have been up here, but yeah. So another, I would say, a trade. This would have been the most ideal trade to take, even though we're bullish. We got a turtle soup here, huge momentum below this, and I would definitely say this is a really good trade to take, even though we're bullish, because of the equal lows, mainly because of that. And so yeah, it would have been like this. Yeah, second take profit probably down here wouldn't have got hit. And another good trade would have been this right here too. So these are like 3 good trades right here. Dang, I wish I woke up, but yeah, this right here, even though I mean, like, kind of, mainly because of these highs and the bullishness that we're in. Knowing that we're very bullish on the higher time frame, chances are we're gonna go for these equal highs up here. So even though these did get, this high got swept, ideally it wouldn't have got swept, but even though it did, well, I mean, you could have entered here and then, you know, stop loss right here, and then, I mean, break even once this gets hit, and then yeah. But yeah, this consolidation would have been annoying for sure. But yeah, I would say the best trade, in my opinion, and how I trade, would have been this right here. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that would have been a really good one. Yeah, and then we just go to the moon. only thing I see is, and I was looking at this lifetime, but whenever there's consolidation, this is obviously the power of 3 right here, but there was no entry spot. If there was a gap right here, that would have been a pretty good trade. Knowing that there's all these highs, that's one of my favorite models to trade, the power of 3, bro, because it's just really good. And the reason why I like it so much is because of all the generated buy side that gets left behind whenever we sell off to whenever we manipulate downwards. That's why I like the power 3 so much, because we just leave so much equal highs up there and stuff, you know. But yo, this was crazy. At 3:53 this happened. Filled in this. Yeah, nothing else. Yeah, no trades PM session. But back to AM. One thing is, the best case scenario would have been these gaps were kind of like smaller, not smaller, but like, yeah, low-key I would say the long would have been a better option than the short. But if the gap was like not so huge, you know, because we would have had to where the my trip. Wait, what? Oh, I'm tripping. I thought I marked this. Alright. Because we would have had to wait till all these gaps got closed. So say it was like just this gap, right? And then we just closed above this and we entered here. That would have been 10 times better, and that would have been an A+ trade. No doubt A+ trade. If that was the case, but since we closed above here, this would have been like this. You know, it's just like the risk to reward is just horrible, and that's the only reason this was not a better trade than the short, because of the bias. Like if we were in a short higher time frame bias, like look at this. Like if we were short up here, then obviously the short would have been 10 times better, but you seen what happened. It just started pushing up as soon as we swept those equal lows. And price is technically not required to sweep those equal lows. It's just a lot of times it does. But since we're bullish, we're in a market maker buy model, so we're not. It's a lower chance of the lows getting swept than the highs getting swept. You know, but yeah, that's why bias is pretty important. But other than that, I would say this was a pretty good day to trade. Pretty sad that my phone died and I didn't wake up. Pretty messed up, mate, but that's about it. Oh, that's not including any SMTs, so I didn't even look for those.